Hi everyone, and welcome to your final week of the Live Well in a Year Challenge. Thank you so much for sweating and working out with me. We're gonna start today seated on our bottoms, so go ahead and join me there. All right, you're gonna reach your arms forward out in front of you, pull your shoulder blades together for me, so lift your chest. Good, now pick up your feet. Good, flex your feet, toes in the air, engage your core. And now pull your hands right to the center of your chest, twist right, left, right, left. And if this is too much, put your heels down, keep your feet flexed, and then continue to twist, okay? Feel free if you want to lift the feet every few reps, or stay right where you are. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now, chest up. Pick up your feet again. Hold and breathe. We're going to go halfway down, and then we're going to come back up. Halfway down, come back up. Now, you might need your hands, okay? And you might not be able to go down as low, and that's okay. 3, 2, 1. Good. Side plank on the left forearm, okay? So go ahead and drop that baby down for me. Pop your hips up. Now bring your hand behind your head. We're gonna roll our elbow down. We're gonna roll our elbow up. 1. Roll down. 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Good. 5. 6. 7, one more rep, 8, raise your top arm, and if you can, lift your top leg, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick switch to the right forearm, so transitioning to the other side, okay? Scissor, stack your feet, bottom knee down if necessary. Reach up. Hand comes behind your head, elbow lifts, roll it down, roll it up. Good. Roll it up. Down and up and down, up. Good. Final 4, 3, 2, 1 more, please. 1. Good. Stay here, and if you want to, top foot lifts. 4, 3, 2, 1, drop. Perfect. Come onto your back for me, okay? Now, I want you to go ahead, keep your feet planted, raise your arms to the sky. The goal is not to move the feet forward. Sit straight up, come straight down. Now, sit-ups are definitely overrated in the core world. They are not the end-all, be-all, but being able to bring your torso all the way up without your hands and to keep your feet rooted down is an important component of building that core strength. Now, once you master that core strength, you don't need to keep doing sit-ups over and over and over again, okay? Yes, they're a functional movement, right? We want to be able to get up out of bed without our hands. We want to be able to sit up without our hands, but then you can start to add weight into your hands. You can start to change up the work and get more creative, like a lot of the work that I teach you guys, okay? Give me 3. They're getting hard. 2. 1 more. 1. Good. Lay down onto your back. Now, bring your knees back to that 90 degrees, okay? Pull your belly in and down, firm your abs. Put your hands on your thighs. Pull your knees in as you push your hands in. Start to trigger that shake. Ready? 4. Push into your thighs. Push your thighs back into you. 3. Hold this. Come on. 2. You should shake. 1. Woo. And again, we feel that, right? We feel that work starting to build. All right, let's do it again. Knees at 90. Hands to thighs. Thighs to hands. So we want to push and pull at the same time. Ready, set, push, pull, feet flex, hold it. 5. Come on, feel your core. 4. Push and pull. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Whew, rest. That's a hard one. All right, let your knees fall open. Let your feet come together. All right, now try the sit-up with your feet like that. All right, harder for sure. All right, and if you can't get it, then I invite you to just do a crunch, but to keep the feet together and keep the knees apart, okay? 3 more sit-ups, maybe 5 to 6 more crunches because you're going to get more of those reps in. 2. 1 more with me all the way up. Good. Everybody lay down. Keep your feet like this. Good. Hands behind your head. We reach across and over and over. Good. You're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now straight up through center. Reach forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1 more rep. Good. Bring your knees together. Rock it up to seated. Good. Right forearm comes down. Hand comes behind your head. Ready? Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1 more. 1. Good. Drop those hips. Switch. Other forearm. All right. Arm in the air. Hand behind head. Scissor or stack. 8, 7. You guys are almost done. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1 more. 1. Good. High plank hold. Ready? Set. Lift up through your abs. You're here for 10, 9, 8. Hold that strong frozen body right here. 4, 3, 2. Exhale. Drop those knees. Awesome job. Way to work, guys. I'll see you for more core and yoga soon. Way to go.